Hey everybody, good to see ya. I hope you're doing well, but I know you're not. I say that on every video because I know it's not true. I've helped millions of people, except I haven't helped you, and that's why you're miserable and not happy. Reach out to me, Phil, news.california@gmail.com, for all the tips, tricks, and techniques on how you can learn to sue the cops when they arrest you illegally for filming in public and winning the big money and putting it into a residual asset income earner. Guys, I've got another one because I'm using the noggin. And today, what is it? Residual income, washing your clothes, putting them on a line in a campground. The key is in a campground, guys, and then people are going to see you doing it, and they're going, hey, what are you doing washing your clothes in a campground when you have a nice rig that you can wash them inside there? And I say, wait a second. Who are you to question me? You should be hitting up Phil, news.california@gmail.com, but I will help you and tell you why, because it's residual income, sir, fellow camper. What you do, Mr. Camper, and I'm talking to my audience as well, is that you want to do washing in a campground. When people come up to you and say, hey, what are you doing camping with washing? That's when you tell them it's all money in my pocket. Every time somebody washes in a campground, they put up their laundry. I'm making money. And how does it work, guys? The guy that comes up to me and says, or he comes up to you and says, why are you washing clothes in a campground? Residual income, sir. This is how it works. And you tell him this. You tell him he needs to get a bucket and some water, and he needs to start washing his clothes in a campground. And then when people come up to him and ask him, he says the same thing. Hey, reach out to Phil, news.california@gmail.com. It's residual income. Once those people contact me, he gets a piece of it. The people that contact him gets a piece of it. And it goes on and on and on. And that's how you make the dinero, guys. The gelt, the lira, the Giuseppe's, and whatever else. The Brazilian docs are doing well. Look at the GPS on them. NASDAQ and S&P 100s, it's coming up, guys. But this is what you do. It's not a pyramid scam. Don't let anybody tell you this is a pyramid scam. This is the real deal. Millions have been satisfied. And I'm going to be having some interviews with some of my fine subscribers who have made so much money off campground toilets. It's unbelievable, guys. Everybody that goes there that drops a deuce, this guy's making 25 cents. And that's net profit, guys. How can you go wrong there? Guys, reach out to me. Phil, news.california@gmail.com for the information package. You need it now, how to sue the cops when they arrest you illegally, and you take that money, put it into residual income, washing clothes in a campground. If you don't do it, I don't know what's wrong with you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.